Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video where today I'm going to be showing you guys my 2016 hess truck. Yep. Anyway, without any further ado, I'll get started. I'll show you the angle first. So here's one side of it. Here's the other side of it. The back. The front, the top, the bottom, and if you're wondering, I'll show you guys switch. So yeah. So if you switch it all the way this way, it's off. Switch it this way, you see the lights just turn on like solid. God, that dog is so annoying. Grandma got a new puppy and it's like never again. I'm never getting a German Shepherd when I get older. Fuck that. So yeah. German Shepherds are so annoying. They cry whenever they get anxious and shit. But anyways, so there's the flashers and stuff, yeah. So anyways, I'll show you all its features. That's a pretty cool feature. And I'll show you guys this button later. And then you got a horn. Anyway, so yeah, that's pretty much it for. I'm sorry, just laughing at the dogs barking, but that's pretty much it for the truck. Oh, I'm going to show you another feature. I hate these dogs, this is so annoying. But yeah, here's one side of the dragster. Here's the other side of it. The back. The front. The top. The bottom. If you switch this light on, you'll see that the headlights light up. That's pretty freaking cool. All the Hess logos light up, tail lights light up. And it's kind of a big deal. 2016 rocked it. Rocked the year away. Oh yeah. You did good, 2016. You did good. Especially those of you who are Hess truck makers. 2016, the year, 5th grade just sucked for me. First, my grandma died, which fucking sucked. I am at my grandma's house, but my mom's mom died. My dad's mom and my dad's dad is still alive. My mom's dad is still alive, so yeah. But anyways, yeah, she died of a head aneurysm thing. I'm not gonna keep talking into it because I cry whenever I talk about it. But yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. It's really cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a notification on some more videos to my channel, and I'll see you next video. Okay, bye.